Hey, what's going on, everyone? Just wanted to give Brent Daniels a huge shout out um, for the program, the community. This has been really helpful to get this wholesaling business going. I've been studying about wholesaling for a couple months now. Um, I decided to join the program last September of 2020 just because I didn't have clarity of how to start or where to start. I had started by manually dialing, um, driving for dollars, and all that good stuff. But once I joined the program, he laid out different ways that I could target people, and just the dialer helped me a lot. Also, I didn't know those existed, so just the program helped me a lot, give me more clarity on how to set up my business. That way, I could do better. I closed the deal within the first, I'd say, 3 weeks within about from joining the program and finishing all the videos. Um, so ever since I've made around 16,000, I've got two more in escrow that I should be making another $15,000. So like I said, the program's really helpful. It lays out everything you need to know about wholesaling, step by step, how to set it up, and all that good stuff that most of us don't have any idea of whenever we start. So I would definitely recommend it. Thanks so much.